Okay, we're kind of at this waterfront area. You can see lots of people sitting. We're just going to explore, let you see what it's all about, let you see what's in all these little places as well. All these little cafes and bars, and you can sit up top or you can sit down below. So we're going to walk through all of this little area all the way around through each one of them. Then we're going to try to go out over there, over where the wall is with all the beautiful murals. So that'll be another little side of Taipei for you. Checking out Taipei 2023. Okay, here we are down at the waterfront. So first thing we're going to do is show you the waterfront itself, and that there's all these people who are sitting here. And then we're going to go down and just go all the way down like that, and then over and over and then out. So let's go down to the waterfront first. You got some rental bikes here. So let's just go check it all out. And it looks like you could even go out to that boat as well. Yeah, I think that's called the new Taipei city over there. They're kind of cool. Okay, so let's go into it all. And you can definitely see this side where everybody's eating. And we're gonna see what they're eating as well. Taipei has some pretty amazing food. This one looks like it's closed today. It is Happy New Year. It's New Year's Day, the Lunar New Year. So we'll just target the ones that are open. And this one's open. You got Peroni, and you can sit up there too, right? Barcelona. And you got more. We're gonna walk down that alley in a moment. We'll just kind of do a 360 for everything so you can see everything. And all the people sit all the way down as well. Okay. More people up there. Yeah, a lot of them are closed right now. Yesterday everything was completely closed because it was the New Year's Eve. And in Taipei everybody goes back to their home countries. Sorry, home counties. There's a little with cheese one. Classic French fries. A lot of these are closed. So here's one where people are upstairs as well. Looks like that's closed, but this one's open. Barbecue chicken. Then this one's open. Ireland Funds. Taipei plus Ireland, so that one has potatoes, I think. Yeah, I think that one's all potatoes. Corn dogs, beef rolls, chicken rolls. Okay, let's go on out of here. Looks like there's some more stuff down that way too. That's the way to the boats. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 boats. I think they're doing karaoke over there, and that's going to be our exit. So what we're going to do is come back through, and we'll highlight the next street. They got a Happy New Year sign right here too. It says, let me just capture that real quick. So right there, it says Dadao Cheng Wharf and Happy New Year 2023. Then right where there's some fireworks stuff. So I'm seeing lots of like remnants of fireworks stuff. You can see it right, like this stuff right here. So they've been going off a little bit in the evening. You see, this one is so it looks like some of these might be I was thinking some might be closed, but actually they might be open on the other side. Here's something called Pizza Lab. Yeah, so like this one, there's people up there, so maybe they own this one, but you buy it on the other side maybe. Okay, let me see. This one's all pizza here, Pizza Lab. Let's see if we can see some of the pizza here. There it is. So it's called Pizza Lab. This one's Choya. So you can get some drinks. So you get some of this and some of that, and then you can drink them up there and up there. So I've been seeing people that are or here as well. And this one's bubble tea. Come around like that. Okay, that's the Barcelona, so that was the first one. So we went on that side. That's open on both sides, and this one's open on both sides as well. So we're gonna come around this way and we'll see what's open on this side. Then we're gonna go out towards the gate in a little bit. Check that out, all the bottles of beer that they sell. Okay, I kind of like that too. There's a whole wall over there, kind of let me see. So this is the Shoya Pizza Lab. And we're gonna keep on walking all the way through. I like how everything's like kind of clean here. So like everything's like contained right there. Even though it's a lot, it's like not all over the place. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna follow this towards the exit or entrance. There's some karaoke over there. Could be worth checking out, could be. I don't know if I'm in a bike lane right now or not. Hard to say. Got a boat over there, but I'm gonna just head on out, follow this crowd here. I'm gonna go out of here. So this is the wharf. Oh, there's a woman singing karaoke over there. It's funny. It's like 3 people watching too. It's interesting enough to let's go over there and just kind of see what that's all about. Because there's actually people watching. Oh, there's actually a path over there too. I think we're gonna do that. We're gonna walk over there real quick to that bridge, and then we're gonna go on out. I think she said chi-chi, but I don't know if that was for me or for... And there's a walking bridge over there. I guess we have to take it because we're at the wharf. So the food area. So I'm gonna take this little thing, and then we're gonna angle up. And there's a little temple over there. Actually, this is kind of good because we're at the wharf anyways, and then you can kind of see what all is here. It's pretty cool, actually. And we're gonna go out that gate as well. The kid's pushing that up. I think he's doing a pretty good job though. There's a little older people hanging out today. Older people got it right. They just kind of hang out. They're not really spending any money. They don't need to be entertained, throwing money at stuff. see some older people just kind of hanging out over there, drinking tea. And look at all these beautiful banyan trees everywhere too. Kind of a cool little scene right here. Okay. So we're gonna do. I think I'm kind of in the bike path here. I'm gonna take it anyways. I think I can take it. Ah, maybe I cannot. Yeah, that's definitely the bike path. I'll have to take that back. So I'm gonna turn the camera off. I just walked all the way around, came out the other side. And what we're gonna do next is we're just gonna come out of here and see if we can cross the street and just give you a little taste of what exactly is over on the other side here. Got bikes, got everybody. Okay, so basically what we did was we just came through that little thing, and that's where the waterfront is at. And now we're kind of in this whole other neighborhood here. So we're gonna take the camera behind us in a moment. Let me just kind of show you. So they got the whole waterfront all the way down that direction and all the way down that direction. And we're gonna fade into this crowd a little bit and see what we're gonna be filming next, because we're gonna be choosing a street in this area. And yeah, but basically this is a neighborhood on the waterfront. I don't know the name of it, but I'm sure we'll see it in a little bit. And it looks pretty busy, as you can see. Okay. I'm just gonna look for a good spot so I can turn the camera around. So yeah, you can see parts of the waterfront down that way too. Yeah, so basically it's a pretty busy little space in here. So we're gonna end it right there. Okay, that was another shoot of Taipei. There's so much more to see, so just keep on checking the channel and checking it all out. Come on, let's go.